This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta. I'm down here at our Jackson store, and this is a brand new 2027 Peterbilt 589 in Phantom Gray. It's got the 131-inch long hood. Got our Texas-style bumper up here on the front. The LED light pods. We put some rock guards underneath the lights. Got our stainless visor. 4 roof-mounted air horns. We put some extra lights in front of the breathers, and behind the breathers, and underneath the cab. It's got a 13,200 pound capacity steer axle, riding around on 11R 24/5 Continentals on Peterbilt aluminum wheels. Got the dual-sided cab exhaust. Got our spotlight mounted in the roof up there. Our stainless depth tank cover. Got a 100-gallon fuel tank on this side. Got frame-mounted toolboxes on both sides. This truck has 40,000 pound capacity rear suspension. It's low air leaf. 336 gears. It's got locking differentials. Air disc brakes all the way around. Got our stainless mud flat brackets. It's a 280-inch wheelbase. 150-gallon tank over here on this side. Let's take a look underneath the hood. Underneath the hood, we've got our Cummins X15. This one is 565 horsepower, 2050 torque. It's got the 18-speed manual transmission behind it. Inside, we've got our platinum interior, leather air ride seats. Has a 7-inch infotainment center with Apple CarPlay. Got a Uniden Bearcat CB radio mounted up there in the center of the header. Pull-out work tray in the dash. This is a double bunk, 80-inch sleeper. Some storage space down here. Over on this side, we've got an additional cabinet. Hang your clothes up in it. 1.8 cubic foot refrigerator. Got our flat screen TV mount over there. This truck is also equipped with an 1800 watt inverter with shore power. Got our floor mounted cup holder over here on the floor. This truck is loaded up and ready to go. If gray isn't your thing, we've got a white one with the similar specs. We've also got one in black. So give me a call, 706-372-4698, and let's see if we can put you into this.